what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. Today's Dyno Day. Today we have our 1995 Lightning on the dyno, and this one's going to be easy because the truck is stock except for a Bassani mid-pipe and a Bassani catback. First generation Lightnings were 93, 94, 95. But they had a 351 cubic inch Windsor, or 5.8 liters for those of you that like the metric unit of measurement. It has an E40D automatic transmission. Technically our pull should be made in third gear. For downshift reasons during wide open throttle, we're going to make the pull in second gear, so our numbers would be slightly lower than if we were to pull the truck in third gear. It does have the factory drive shaft. It has the factory 8.8 with the 410 rear gear. The truck does have a 17-inch rear wheel with a 275/60/17 tire, and we have 93 octane fuel in the tank. Now this particular 351 Windsor and the first generation Lightnings were rated at 240 horsepower and 340 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. Our initial timing is set at 12 degrees. So we're gonna make a quick trip around the truck, make sure we're good to go on our end, and we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's take a look at some results for our 1995 Lightning here. For what it's worth, the truck does have 151,000 miles, but it's real healthy for those miles. It made 210 horsepower at 4,100 RPM and 275 pound-feet of torque at 3,500 RPM. So no doubt about it, these trucks are fun to this day. They were fun back in the mid-90s. I hope you guys enjoyed this dyno video as much as we enjoy dynoing all this cool stuff and being able to show you guys. So if you like it, smash the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more dyno videos and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And until next time, for all things Ford Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.